Hello and welcome to the CCP Main Theater. We are here rehearsing for Ramahari and I'm going to be touring you around with a couple of my friends, my ballerina friends. And as you can see, I am your ballerina girl. I am so lovely and happy. I'm playing Sita, so I hope you do visit us here at the CCP. Ramahari opens on November 30. Right there, we've got the Manila Symphony Orchestra, dancing ballet. We have Ballet Philippines, wonderful dancers. And basta itutur ko kayo ngayon. Meet Sita. She's Catherine Chafeo. Kit Kit. She was my classmate in ballet when I was, I don't know. Basta I started at 3 years old. Siguro later on, she was my classmate. Until we were teens. And now, she is playing Sita, the dancer. And sabi ko nga, sana ako na lang yung Sita, the dancer. But today, I get to live my dream. I'm gonna do a couple of steps with her in my pointe shoes.
Okay. I will do style bikes ballet a la Sita and she will do the classical. I will do the gintong isa.
Okay, ready? Hi, Mr. C.
Wow, so sad. Nagtotoos ang ali.
Okay na yan. Mr. C is in
Sir?
the house.
Nagtotoos
We are
ka?
vlogging. See, Mr. C is so impressed in my
I'm
talent.
impressed.
He is
Nagtotoos.
the maker of this Ramahari. He made the music when he was how old lang?
27.
27 years old, can you imagine that?
Ay,
And
26, 96, 18.
26, and of course, Bienvenido Limbera, the national artist for literature, made the beautiful libretto. Okay, this is the green room. Hi, Mr. Robert Senya, Chuck and Christian.
At the CCP, our first ballet musical with some of the finest actors, actresses, and dancers in the land. Ramahari coming soon. Kaya teka, Friday na ba yan? Saturday?
Friday.
Theater near on Friday.